jail. He has had 2 crossbows.
Let
Your
Jason
Honor.
finish.
This whole thing is being pointed on Ashlynn, frankly, because she is black.
Hey.
All right, Caden, scan me down. I'm going in.
What is that? What's in your left pocket?
I'm sorry. I'm just happy to see you.
Okay.
All right.
You're good. Jacob's not good, but
What do you mean?
you're gay. I mean, good. I'm sorry.
Okay, but he's literally
Stacey,
withholding
are you
evidence.
not part of the jury?
Where do I need to go? Over here?
You need to get
Okay.
that evidence, Nathan.
You're black.
Okay, everybody has to mute unless they get called on.
The opening statement, how it works, the prosecution goes first, then the defense.
Who's the prosecution?
Me. Alright. I'm bringing y'all here today because I believe that Mr. Coop DeLoop here, I believe that he, one, stole from our great monument that represents peace, which, why are we stealing from peace? It's kind of crazy. But stole from peace, killed my goat, and killed Jacob's dog. Like, this doesn't sound like somebody I want roaming the streets in this beautiful realm.
It's true.
It's really despicable, the things that he's being accused of today, and I hate to be the guy that has to do it, but I can't let this kind of thing live on here.
Objection, real quick.
This is my opening.
Listen.
This is my opening case. You
I
can't object. You
I
can't
can
object on the opening case.
Objection overruled. This is his opening case.
Thank you, Miss Judge.
First of all, what kind of lawyer is this opening
Hey,
case instead of
you-
opening statement?
You,
Anyway,
hey,
sorry.
you'll
Whatever.
get your time. You'll get your
Objection
time.
overruled.
Olivia, can you sit down in the seat, please?
I can't see because of that stupid all bell.
Miss Judge, I'm suing today. I want, if he's found guilty, I want him put in jail for 10 to 20 days. You decide how many days. And I want his bail to be a stack of diamonds if he wants to get bailed out. But yeah, I have some evidence too. So once he makes his claim, I'll be glad to come back up here.
Thank you. Now, Coop D. Loop's claim. Opening statement, or whatever.
My client, right here, Coop
Yeah.
I got
Bernard, is innocent. He did not, one, take any flowers from the monument. Did not take any flowers from the monument whatsoever.
I heard nothing about flowers.
Yeah, dude, I said he stole the flowers from the monument. Stole from our great monument that represents peace.
Oh, I didn't hear that. My fault.
Okay, that's the main thing here.
There is no hardcore proof that he did such a thing.
Objection.
Your
there is
Honor,
proof.
freaking objection.
There's proof.
Freaking Hunter is
Objection.
withholding evidence
Let
in
me-
his inventory as we speak.
Objection overruled.
Let-
It is the opening statement.
The evidence. The
Cooper,
evidence.
shut up. Cooper, shut up. Cooper, shut up.
Hunter, send a picture
up.
of your inventory right now.
Shut up.
Okay, let's be respectful. Are you done with your statement?
No, I'm not. I'm sorry. I was really.
What's your state? What is your statement that he just didn't do it?
Can
Is
you
that
be
what?
quiet so I can say my statement, please, sir?
I'd love to
Thank you.
hear it.
My client did not touch any flowers. There is no evidence. There is no substantial evidence that he did such a thing. You guys had accused him over and over and over and over and over again, relentlessly, of these false crimes. I
So,
would just like to say that my client is innocent, and I will have to call other people to the stand to prove my evidence for why. But
so
that
who
is
do you
my
think did
opening
it?
statement.
He doesn't
I
have proof on
am
that.
unsure who did it,
Hmm.
but we will get to that. We will get to that.
Hmm.
It is not my client.
Raising their hand.
That is it, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, I have some stuff I'd like to present now. All right, so let me take you to the start of the story here. So here's the deal. I was minding my business at my base, right? Mr. Monkey Juice 10 here, he came over. He was like, I need to pay some respects to the monument. I said, I got you. So we walked up there, right? At the time, there was only one chest. Got it? Well, I put another chest beside the monument so it was more obvious where to put the flowers. Got that? I moved the flowers. I put the flowers in in the new chest, so we know they were there. Hunter can tell you they were there.
They were there.
He put his flowers in. I saw that. I don't think he did it. I didn't check afterwards. Mr. Coop de Loop here, this is where he comes into the situation. He came over to my base and he wanted to kill the spider that was below my base. So we went and did that, got that done, right? Well, then he wanted to go pay his
Objection,
respects.
Your
I was
Honor.
like, I got
Objection.
it, Your Honor. Can I finish my story?
I have
Yeah,
an objection, Your Honor.
finish it. Let him finish his story, and we will hear your objection.
So he came over there, he paid his respects, so I thought. But then he took the flowers, then, Your Honor. He took all the flowers,
Objection leading.
and then
Objection leading. He's leading the belief. There was no evidence provided. He can't just make that.
I have evidence actually, and I
Yeah,
want
but you're not providing
I-
that right now.
I
so-
want to run
Objection!
some. I want to run
I-
some tests here. I want to run some tests. We need
Is this
to.
sustained or overruled, Olivia?
This is my first piece of evidence for this
I
claim.
think overruled because he is presenting the evidence as we speak.
I have some flowers here, the same kind of flowers that were stolen. I would like Cooper here. First of all, I just want you to see how nice the flowers are. He took them from the monument, stole them, lied about stealing them, and keep in mind, Cooper, you're on oath here. So if you lie and we find out, rap, buddy. 10 days is the least of your concerns.
Your Honor, I have an objection.
I then want to come to my next point
Can't
of
object, Olivia.
the fact that
Talk to me when you want me to object.
I want to bring my next point to the thing that Cooper has a tendency to commit crimes in
Let me get
this
up
If you want
realm.
me to object, you can send me
First
text.
off,
Object.
I want to call Mr. Sir Yeet to the stand. I want him to tell his story of what Cooper did to
Honor,
him.
I object. I haven't got a rebuttal yet. He can't call a witness up. I haven't had a rebuttal.
Yes, he
yes, I
can.
can, because
Rebuttals
it's
after
still
he
my
calls
claim.
all of his witnesses.
Yeah, this
Hey,
is
you're
all
not
of my
supposed to
claim.
object, Cooper.
Cooper,
Yeah,
please
Cooper,
shut your
pop down,
mouth.
pop down. Jacob, I want you to tell them your story of what Cooper did to you. And I have some
Okay.
evidence here. I have some evidence of what he did too, by the way.
Okay, wait. Objection. Relevance. This case was already this
No,
member. The
this
whole
case-
was
no.
already. This was literally months ago.
Objection overruled because
You can't
he.
decide that. You're not the judge.
I want
Okay,
you to
why
sit
do
down.
you
This
want
is
it-
mine.
Why do you think it's not relevant?
It's not relevant because this ordeal with the dog has already been settled. It was already settled.
I don't think it was
It's-
settled.
This is old
I don't
news.
think it was settled.
I
yet.
disagree. I really don't think it was settled.
Everybody shut up! Ashlynn, what was your objection?
I just want to say that since he killed Jacob's dog, he has villainous.
Tendencies.
Yes,
In his
Your
blood.
Honor, also, I want to
yes,
present.
villainous tendencies in
I
his.
want to present this.
blood.
This where Jacob gave this to me. This is his dog's favorite bone, just so you can understand that this dog
Objection, Hunter.
was
Objection.
real.
That's falsified evidence, Hunter.
Did
There
you
was
not
no
give that to
bone.
me? You gave
Okay.
that
How
to
do
me,
you know
right?
there was
How do
no
you know?
bone?
How do you know?
Everybody shut up!
I want to hear. I
Let
want to
me
hear
in this
Jacob.
guy.
I want to hear Jacob's.
Hunter, your objection is overruled. I'm gonna hear the story. I'm gonna hear him out. Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I
story.
swear.
No.
Okay, go ahead, Jacob.
Instead of
So-
saying "so help you God," can you say "so help you blonde"?
Hey, monkey juice, can you shut up?
You can't say stuff like that to my.
Hey.
Okay, Jacob has a weapon. Sir Yeedab and the witness has a weapon. He just shot me.
No, I don't have a weapon.
You're on
Okay,
thin
I'm on
ice.
thin ice. I got it. Can I
Give it
just
to
tell
me.
my story? I don't
Give it
have
to
a
me.
Let
weapon.
him tell his
A
story,
weapon,
Your
or
Honor.
you're going
I don't
back.
have a weapon. Let me tell my
Your
story.
Honor. Thank you,
Come on, everybody shut up!
Jacob. Tell your story,
Jacob,
please.
speak! Jacob, go ahead.
Speak, boy.
Okay.
Everybody else,
So-
quiet.
At the start of this here Minecraft run, me and Cooper had intentions of living on the same island together.
Your Honor.
Hey!
Hey!
It's not
Shut
your
up.
turn! At the start of this here Minecraft realm, me and Cooper had intentions of living on the same island. And with these intentions came what I thought was mutual agreement. I would have the side of the island that I terraformed, and he would have the side of the island that he terraformed. Well, I had a pet dog on my side of the island. And as time went on, I came to realize that I didn't want to live with Cooper because I didn't want to live with Cooper. I wanted to move on and live by myself. No, nothing wrong with that. No hate against Cooper, nothing like that. I just didn't want to live with him because I wanted to live by myself. I left my dog there to prevent it from being injured while I traveled. So I left my dog there, and then I'm building my desert palace, which you all know so much about. I was building my desert palace, and I read the chat. Wolf has been slain by Koopaloop 09.
Oh my god.
I went back to his island, and sure enough, my dog was gone. Killed in cold blood.
Jacob,
My dog did nothing wrong.
That is
Jacob,
sad.
thank you for your story. I really appreciate it. Before he can have anything else to claim, I want to present my next piece of evidence. I also want to call JC to the stand, please. Jacob, you can go sit down. I really appreciate your time. Your Honor, I'm going to pull out a sword here. Don't get frightened. But I would like JC to tell the story of what happened here and also the fact that Cooper knew about this.
Okay.
Okay.
JC, tell your story.
On Blob, you're gonna tell the truth.
On Blob, I'm going to tell the truth and only the truth.
Thank you. Tell your story.
Hello.
Your Honor, can we acknowledge that Sir Edab in the that I am
Please let me
scared
talk.
for my
The
safety.
jury just pulled out a crossbow.
Your Honor, this is an unsafe environment.
The court! Jacob, put away the freaking weapon!
If you shoot it, I'm gonna have to kill you,
I don't
bro.
have it. It's gone. I threw it away.
Kaden will kill you.
I'm finna have to kill you. If
I
you
realize
shoot it.
this. I realize this. Okay.
Give it to Caden.
Give the weapon to Kaden.
Tim.
Do it.
Bowman could. Yeah.
Boy.
Jacob,
My name is JC Hamilton. Hello, court. My name is JC Hamilton. Today, I'm going to be telling you. My name is JC Hamilton. Telling you the story of how I found this horrible weapon sitting in the courtroom right behind Ashlynn. So here's the story. I came up here because I wanted to show my dear sister McKinley Hamilton. I wanted to show her the amazing court that we have all came together to build so fantastically. Honestly, it's fantastic that we can all come together for this. However, it's tragic because I was walking over here. I'm gonna show you what I looked like. I was like, do 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 do. I showed her the gel. I came out. Boom. Why is there a weapon sitting right here in this little bin?
I'm
In
sorry.
it.
I'm sorry.
No, you can stop talking.
Judge, may I ask?
When I brought up this weapon, I said, Cooper, come here right now. And by Cooper, I mean tall guy Coop. I was talking to tall guy Coop.
okay.
And he was like, oh my gosh, I've seen that too. I just didn't want to say anything because I didn't know if anybody would believe me. And I said, no, I believe you. I'm seeing it right here from my own two eyes. And as soon as I said something, Coop DeLu 09 said, yeah, I knew about that. Oh,
Didn't even
crazy.
know what we were talking about.
Crazy.
Didn't know what we were
Very
talking about.
interesting.
He didn't know what he was talking about because I never
We said we
this
found a
before.
weapon in the courtroom, and he was like, "Oh yeah, I knew about that." Like, be so for real.
Insane.
Thank you,
No,
Jason,
no.
for your story.
I'm not done.
Okay, my bad.
So my two conspiracies, A, Cooper planted that sword right there. Because A, either he knew
I have
he
so
thought
much.
that he was
Can you drop me
gonna
the
be
falsified records?
Excuse me, can I talk?
Cooper, sit down.
A, he either thought he was gonna be sitting there, so he was planning to use it, or B, he was trying to frame this girl acting just like he's trying to frame her for everything else.
Ooh.
And I have some evidence to support that they're framing her if you want me to go ahead and say that.
I would like that evidence presented. Your
Yeah,
Honor.
let me pull up some of these quotes that I have listed. So they started framing Ashlynn when she went over to Cooper's house to look for something in a chest. So yes, she should have asked permission to look at those chests, correct? Yes, she should have. However, we don't always do that around this realm. There are people that have looked in my chest. I have looked in other people's chests. That's just the way it is, right? So that is when Ashlynn started getting accused because she was
Objection
looking.
leading.
Because she was looking in a chest.
Objection
I saw her
overruled.
stupid Monkey Juice 10. Let me say.
You.
Yeah, you
So
better
why
calm
was
down.
why was she framed?
Whoa.
She was framed.
Your Honor, I just got shot by a crossbow. Throw Sir Edab in jail. He has had 2 crossbows.
Shot.
Oh. Okay, Cooper, come back up here.
Ow!
Whoa. Order him.
Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Your
get some
Honor.
order in here. Also, hey, can we see that Cooper had a ton of stuff in his inventory?
Your Honor, that is a falsified record.
All right, guys. I got him.
All right. Hunter,
Get back.
Put him in
sit
jail.
down.
He's going
I
in
want to
jail.
see
Yeah.
him in jail.
He's going in jail. Wait, where's Jell at?
Your Honor. Your Honor.
Hey.
No.
Jacob, go to jail now.
Jacob.
Go to jail.
Your Honor.
Go to jail.
Your Honor. I'm just gonna make this easy for you. I'm gonna make you put both of them in jail right now. You see this right here? That's my
Your Honor!
That's my baby goat's head. Cooper killed it. He knew about it. He knew he killed it.
Got my apple back.
And he tried to make up an excuse as to why it would have happened. Now,
No,
with all
listen, Your Honor.
Hush up. Hush up. You want to keep talking? I have some more evidence to present.
No, I need to.
Me, I have evidence. I have correct quotes.
Do you want
Your
me to
Honor.
present that evidence? Hunter, do you want me to present that
That's
evidence?
blasphemy! No, you can't just pull up quotes.
You can't pull up quotes. It's your word against ours. That's not how court works.
Your Honor, can I
need
please
thrown
come up
out
to the
immediately.
stand? Could you
No,
please
no,
ask the
these are
prosecution
quotes that have
to
been
sit down
said.
and take their witnesses down? I would like to come up to the stand, Your Honor. I have to
Your Honor,
explain the story.
Can you make him be quiet so I can finish my?
Okay, JC, is all you have quotes?
No.
Let
Your
JC
Honor.
finish.
This whole thing is being pointed on Ashlynn, frankly, because she is black.
Oh no!
Ashlynn has
Can you-
falsified
Can you make them be
documents.
quiet so I
It's
can
not
finish this?
falsified.
Your Honor, can you please make them be quiet so I can finish this?
Yes,
'Cause
everybody be quiet and
if
let
Hunter
him
wants to
finish,
keep
and
talking,
then
I
you
have
can
some
come up to
evidence.
the stand, Cooper.
I'm not even talking, bro.
Hunter wants some evidence put on him to make him look like a false
Cooper, sit down.
representative. I can gladly do that, but for my final statement, I just want to add that Cooper has a tendency to commit crimes in this beautiful realm. And I told him whenever we found out about the flowers, I said, you can plead guilty and we can work on a situation where he can pay his respects to the monument and we can put this in the past. He didn't want to take that route. He wanted to make it a big deal. So here we are now. So let me just summarize this for you. He killed Jacob's dog. He's been known to kill stuff. He killed my goat. He denies it. And then he stole flowers from the monument and he tried to blame it on Ashlynn. That is my final statement.
Hey, tall guy Coop, I have one more thing to say, please.
No, he
I
said
would-
final statement. It doesn't matter. it
No,
doesn't
I
matter.
didn't say I was done.
Your
I said
Honor,
final
Your
statement.
Honor, he closed his statement.
Your Honor, can
Your
I have
Honor.
JC? Can I have
This-
JC say one
Your
thing?
Honor, he closed his statement.
This is one
Respectfully, I do
thing.
not care about your opinion,
And
Hunter.
this is against Monkey Juice's hand. He came up to me while I was building my bridge in my house. He said, JC, this is all I need you to say in court. He said, I need you to
this
say,
is not
I need you to
what
say
I said.
that you
Objection.
don't support either of the
Hearsay.
sides.
Hearsay.
He literally told me what to say
This
when I
is
came to court.
hearsay. This is hearsay.
Okay, you know what? Since we're going to bring that up, I think I should bring this up. Hunter made multiple phone calls to me. Hey, would you sit down? Would you respect her?
Sit down. Sit down.
I would like everyone to go to the Discord chat, and I'm going to send this video here. And I have he showed me the video he has. I have the perfectly good explanation as to what happened in that video. It sure does look like Hunter assaulting me in broad daylight.
Wow. Thank you for that.
Your Honor, with all of this, I know this is a lot, but there's a lot of subject matter here. With this, I want to show you that one, with that video, Hunter is a crook and he has no business being a lawyer. Two, Cooper stole from the monument, killed my goat, killed Jacob's dog, and tried to blame it on Ashlynn.
And is a
And
racist.
and he's lied under oath multiple times. But yeah, I just, like I said, I want either a stack of diamonds paid or I'd say 15 Minecraft days in jail. I think that's reasonable. Thank you for your time. Sorry it had to come to this.
Thank you.
Your Honor, can I come up
Okay.
to the stand, please?
No, you cannot.
No,
No,
I
you're
would like-
fired. You're fired.
No, I'm not.
Oh,
I'm not.
Honor, Your Honor,
he's
Your Honor,
fired.
Your Honor. Can I please
Yes?
come up to the stand?
No, you're. What
Jacob
about?
just got shot.
I need. They have got to talk this whole time.
Caden?
Who shot the weapon?
It was Jacob. I watched it.
Alistair?
I need to stand over there with them. Give me
No,
it right now.
you're fired. I'm representing myself, Your Honor.
Oh my gosh.
Can you do that in the middle of court?
Quit.
Yes, I can. He's fired. He's fired.
Yeah,
he's a fraud. He's a fraudulent. I don't even know where he got his lawyer degree from,
How am
Your
I
Honor.
fraud?
He bribed
Wait.
the prosecution. I did not allow that to happen.
So, Your Honor, can we go ahead and put Hunter in jail for trying to commit malpractice?
You know what? I'm going
Put
home.
him
Since
in
y'all
jail.
lie on my name, I'm going home.
Your Honor, can
Okay,
I
I just
come
don't
before
think
the
you
can
can
I
leave
come
in the
before
middle of a
stand?
trial.
All right, I
I'm
want you.
fired. I have no business here.
Oh.
Okay, Cooper.
Are we serious?
Oh.
I want to hear.
All right.
Jacob! It's Joe! Joe!
Okay, so Your Honor, I'm gonna start from the very beginning. I'm gonna start from the very beginning where we started off with the murdering of Jacob's dog, and I cannot deny the allegations of murdering Jacob's dog. If I have to take on a punishment I was just trying to put the animal out of its misery because I did not think that Jacob was ever coming back, Your Honor. So that is a completely true story. That's something I deeply and harshly regret. And like I said, if I take on an animal abuse punishment, it's completely understandable, Your Honor.
He's known for it. Think about that goat head on your stand.
Now, however, Your Honor, when Cooper Aldridge over here earlier brought up the statement that, or the timeline of events that happened, it was completely incorrect, Your Honor. He stated that I had came over, forgot to pay my respect, and then I came back after Hunter and stole the emeralds stole the flowers after killing the spider.
So you did steal
Your
the flowers?
No, Your Honor.
That
is what
said.
he claimed.
That's
what he
said,
claimed.
Your Honor.
That's the alleged crime, Your Honor. But I do have to say that the timeline, that's not how it went down. I came over here originally around.
You're a dog.
Yeah, you were
12?
supposed to be in jail.
I was supposed to be here around 12 o'clock, Your Honor, and I mined some deep slate, and I forgot to pay my respects. So I came up here. I even recall what I put in here after he was talking about this queen spider that he wanted to kill. So I came over, I helped him kill this queen spider.
Whoa.
And I put 6 roses because I had forgot to put it in there earlier. I usually only put 3 roses, Your Honor. And then after that, Hunter came over here, and he came to pay his respects as well, just visiting around. And that's when Mr. Cooper Aldridge over here, I don't know if they were misplaced by then, but he moved the chest from one area to another, Your Honor. And I mean, I'm not saying something happened then, but you know, he claims that he put the flowers into each chest. I mean, you know, misclicks could happen on accident. But then after that, Ashlynn came up here to pay her respects, and she looked in there, and there was no flowers left, Your Honor. I was not here from the time that Hunter came to the time that Ashlynn came. So there's no physical way that I could have stolen the flowers. And on top of that, the baby goat, Your Honor.
Hello?
Cooper?
Give me
He
a
ran out
second. I'm sorry.
He ran out of talking chips. This whole thing of him saying my timeline's wrong here. I just want to throw it out here that in this case, although it sucks, it's his word against mine, and my word is coming from somebody who has no accusations against them for this server as of the moment.
I'm trying to tell him I'm getting on.
I'm no perfect man by any means, but
Yeah, guys, can we shut up real quick? So I'm in trouble. I have to get on. I'll see y'all later.
Ashlynn, you won.
Anyways,
well,
I'm coming up here because I have evidence, obviously. So I'm walking, right? And so, as we know, there's 2 Coopers in this group, right? And I accidentally clicked on Cooper's house when I was going through the waypoint. I teleport, and then all of a sudden I hear and obviously my inventory is empty because I was coming to court. And I look at my inventory and there's just this book. And the book is titled Confession. Let me just read aloud to the court. My name is Cooper K. Anthony. I stole the flowers and I killed the baby goat and Jacob's dog. I am not sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Can I see the book?
Yes, you can. I was showing JC and she tried to throw it back to me to show in court, and that's when Hunter and Cooper intercepted it and were trying to withhold the evidence. So when they both got killed, I ran over and I picked up the book.
Okay.
Thank you for that, Ashlynn. That was a touching story. Can we talk about the fact that neither one of the people that we were accusing is in the realm anymore? What happened to that?
I say they both. Oh,
I think that instantly makes them both guilty.
Your Honor,
I'm gonna have to say
Your
that
Honor-
you guys win because you were the only people who presented evidence.
Yep.
I think that's fair. So I think 10 days for both of them in Minecraft jail is reasonable.
Hey!
Sorry.
And if they want out, they can pay me in diamonds. I think that's reasonable. And Ashlynn gets some too because she was hurt.
Sorry.
All right, ring your bell. Call
How
this
do
jury.
How do I read? Oh, okay. Okay.
So
we
Ashlynn
won?
wins.
Yes.
We won.
Come have drinks tonight.
All right, guys, if you like that YouTube video. Jacob's not good.